Hey foodies, let's make this flavorful butter masala egg curry. Heat a pan and add butter and a bit of oil and boiled eggs. Then sprinkle with turmeric powder, paprika powder, and coriander leaves. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are slightly coated. Now take out the eggs and set them aside. In the same pan, add the chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Add ginger and garlic paste and cook for 1 to 3 minutes. Let's add cumin powder, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Mix well and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped or pureed tomatoes and salt to taste. Then cook until oil separates. Add water and simmer for 2 minutes. Let's add cashew and sugar to balance the flavor. Simmer for more 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cool down and blend it until it becomes a puree. And strain into the same pan. Kitchen is already filled with this amazing aroma of cumin powder. It's so good and it just makes everything smell and taste incredible. Add butter, masala powder, and prepared eggs back into the pan. Mix gently to coat them into the curry. To make it even more delicious, add a spoon of double cream. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot with rice, naan, or roti. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.